Hi from Laundry Talk. I want to share some deals from Walgreens, and today we have the Scott, some oral care, laundry, and some shavers. This week at Walgreens, this week started March 31st and it's going to end April 6th. We got the Scott tissues not on sale, so basically it's regular price item. But that's good because we're going to use one of these is spend $40 on regular price items in store purchase, and you're going to get 20% off your purchase from the whole purchase. So the Scott tissue is coming out to $13.99 this week, but since we're using 20% off, we have to get to at least 40. So I'm going to pick up 4 of these. I only have 3 here, but I picked up 4 at $13.99 each. My total is $55.96. But after using my store coupon, it's going to bring it down $11.20, leaving me to pay $44.76. From there, you have to pay that out of pocket. There are no digital coupons, but you will get back $10 for having spent $35 or more in Scott products. You're going to get back $7 into your account for spending $30 or more. Now, I got to tell you that for this transaction, I also used a paper perk of spend 40, get 7. That's why I went all the way up to $55 for the 4 of them. So anyway, I'm going to get back those 7 in my account as well. So again, the total was $55, take away $11 for that coupon that I showed you a moment ago. It brings it down to $44, but I'm getting back $24 total for this purchase, leaving the grand total $20.76 for 4 packs, or $5.24 each one. From $13.99 to $5.24 is an excellent deal. The next thing we're going to talk about is the Colgate. The Colgate this week is each one $4.50, buy 2, $9. There is a $3 digital coupon. It leaves you to pay out of pocket $6 for both of them, but you will get back a manufacturer coupon of $4, leaving the total cost for the both $2 or $1 each. Next up is the Gillette Venus. They are $9.99 each, and when you purchase 2 at a total of $19.98, you have a $3 digital coupon that comes off, and you're going to get back $8 in a registered reward, so something like this one, but $8 worth for that purchase. Now you can do that by itself, like the Colgate by itself or the Venus by itself, but in this case, I put the Venus together with the Oral-B, or basically the crest. The crest is $4 each. 4 times 3 is 12. There is a $5 digital coupon for purchasing 3 items, and you're going to get back $3 in a registered reward. So each of these products, the Gillette and the Oral-B, are giving you a registered reward back for having purchased 2 of the Venus and 3 of the Oral-B. But when you put them together in a transaction, you reach the threshold of over $30. You're going to get back an extra $5 registered reward for having spent 20 or more in P&G products, and qualifying this week for those $7 in Walgreens cash back into your account. So there's a lot going on for just doing these 2 offers in one transaction. And here we have the odor blasters from Arm & Hammer, and they're just at a great price of $1.99 each. So on its own, it's amazing. And if you need it as a filler to get to your $30 threshold of the digital perk at Walgreens, spend 30, get 7 back in Walgreens cash, is even better. All these transactions were done in 3 separate transactions. I did the Scott in one with the deal that I told you of the perks and the store coupon. I did the Venus with the Oral-B, and then separately I did the Colgate with the odor blasters. I was able to use multiple register rewards for these orders to lower the out-of-pocket cost, and I still got back a ton of money, either Walgreens cash or as registered rewards. Hope you learned something from this video and you can get your products before this week ends. If you have any couponing questions, put them in the comments. Don't forget to smile and have a wonderful day.